My YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see Valorant blank screen on launch, how to fix it. So guys, if you're facing such type of issues, so guys, you just follow this video. First of all guys, update your graphic driver. So guys, press the Windows plus X and select the driver manager, then expand your display adapter, choose adapter driver and search automatically for the driver. Alternatively, visit your GPU manufacturer website for the latest driver, download and install the correct driver for your specific card. Then guys, restart your computer after the installation is complete. Then guys, run as the administrator. So guys, locate the Valorant shortcut, then right click on valorant.exe and select the option of properties. Then navigate to the compatibility tab and check the box and run the program as administrator. Also check run this program in compatibility mode for and select the Windows for the drop down menu. Then click the option of apply and save changes. Disable your screen optimization. For disabling, go to the Valorant installation folder where you find your Valorant win.shopping.exe, usually in the shorter game/binary folder. Then right click your executable file in the property and switch to the compatibility tab. After that, click the option of disable full screen optimization and click apply, then OK, and try to launch your Valorant to see if the issue is resolved or not. Then guys, verify the game files through Riot's client. So for this, corrupted or the missing game files can prevent the game from launching properly. Open your Riot client on your computer, select the Valorant, then click the gear icon, choose the repair option from the menu, allow the client to scan and repair any detected issues, then wait for repair process to finish, then relaunch your Valorant once the verification is complete. Then perform a clean boot. For performing a clean boot, press the Windows key plus R, then go to the service tab in the system configuration and check the box hide all Microsoft services and click the option of disable all. Then navigate to the startup tab and click the option of open task manager and close the task manager, then click the option of OK in the system configuration. Then guys, restart your computer to apply the clean boot state, then test your Valorant and re-enable the service item gradually to find the culprit if it is work. So guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys, subscribe.